This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming key prerequisites: a Windows 365 license assigned to your account and the Microsoft Remote Desktop app installed. Once those are confirmed, sign in at the Microsoft 365 portal with your work or school credentials so the cloud PC appears. You do this now to avoid wasted steps later. It lets you see provisioning status, make sure your network meets minimum speeds, and that multi-factor authentication is ready. Because secure access prevents provisioning delays and login. Once the cloud PC shows ready, you connect using Remote Desktop or the browser client. You enter your Azure AD credentials and accept any conditional access prompts. This is how Windows 365 enforces company policies. While connected, map local drives and printers so files transfer seamlessly, and adjust display and sound settings to match your device. These steps let applications run as if local. If provisioning is still running, wait and refresh. Provisioning completes faster when you avoid repeated connection attempts. You finish by installing necessary apps and applying Windows updates so your cloud PC is secure and current. Then set OneDrive to sync key folders and adjust power and timeout settings to prevent disconnections. If something goes wrong, follow one key troubleshooting tip. Test your network, restart the Remote Desktop client, and confirm your Windows 365 license assignment in the admin portal. That single triage sequence solves most issues quickly. If it doesn't, collect error codes before contacting IT for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.